How to increase iPhone volume by 200%. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to increase iPhone volume by 200%. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you can technically increase the iPhone volume by 200%, but there are other safe and effective tricks to make it happen significantly louder, especially for music videos and calls. To enable that, change the EQ settings to late night. Simply for that, open up settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From apps, find out the application music. After you find it, tap on that. From the music section, tap on EQ. From here, make sure you have chosen late night from here. After that, it will slightly boost your volume. You can use a volume boosting app for music or video. Some application like Equalizer FX or VLC Player. At last, you can clean your speaker and remove the blockage. Dust, lint or tight case can block your speaker holes. You can use a soft brush or dry toothbrush to gently clean the speaker. You can remove the case and test the volume again. After you follow all of the procedure, you can slightly increase your volume level of your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.